Salutations, kings and queens, and welcome back to the Electric Leaf, where today I will be showing you all how to make bacon. Dr. Sebi approved bacon, of course, and I will be using a king mushroom that is also nicknamed a penis mushroom, and for obvious reasons, as you can see. I'm starting out by slicing this mushroom thinly with a mandolin. The mandolin is one of my favorite kitchen weapons. It's one of my favorite kitchen gadgets because it slices a lot of things really, really fast. I'm preparing these mushrooms two different ways. I'm putting some in the oven here. I'm coating them with a little bit of oil. These pieces are going to be a little bit more like jerky, and the ones that I prepare on the stovetop are going to be a little bit more crispy. So I like to prepare them in the oven when I want them to taste like jerky. It does taste a lot like jerky. For those of you that don't want to use oil, if you have a dehydrator, I would suggest using that. It gives you a really, really good crisp bacon, and also using something like a George Foreman grill will also give you that good crispy bacon without needing to use a lot of oil. The texture would obviously be a little bit more dry. Moving the bacon around quite a bit just to keep it coated in the oil. If I was using a frying pan or a skillet, I wouldn't have to move it around so much because the oil wouldn't drift off to the edges of the cooking element like it is here. So I'm just letting the bacon go to my desired crispiness, which I like my bacon to be pretty crispy. And then I'm putting it over on the side on a paper towel to drain. Here are the pieces that I put in the oven. The browner spots are the more crispy spots, and the lighter spots are the pieces that are a bit more jerky-like. So if you want all your bacon to taste crispy, then let it go a little bit longer. If you want jerky, a little less time. So that's going to be between 10 and 25 minutes, just depending on your preference. The pieces that I fried on the stovetop, you can see that some of them that were sliced a little more thick with the mandolin are not as crispy, and the pieces that were sliced very thin, they are crispy. So it just depends on your preference. The more thin, the more crispy. The less time that you bake it in the oven, the more jerky-like. And there you have it, Dr. Sebi approved bacon. You can use less or more seasoning, it's up to you. Sea salt, a little onion powder, or a few dulse flakes even taste really good on this bacon. It's just up to you. It's up to you. Have fun with your food, you all. Use this on your pasta carbonara, use this on your salads, use this on your BLTs, however you prefer to use it. If it's a swap for you, if you're not fully vegan and you just want to use it every now and then to make a change, then do that. But whatever you do, enjoy it and have fun. So you can see how truly, truly crispy it is. I hope you all have enjoyed this small presentation. As always, vibrate love and vibrate well.